Decor Designs, your go-to channel for creating spaces you absolutely love. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are diving deep into the heart of the home that isn't actually inside, the backyard porch. Backyard porch design is the art of creating a functional, stylish and comfortable transition between your indoor living space and the great outdoors. It isn't just about throwing a few chairs onto a concrete slab. It's about architectural intentionality. A well-designed porch serves as an outdoor room that mirrors the comfort of your interior while celebrating the fresh air and scenery of your backyard. Whether it is a screened-in sanctuary, a sprawling wraparound, or a modern covered deck, backyard porch design focuses on harmony, flow, and personal expression. The benefits of investing in a backyard porch design go far beyond simple aesthetics. First and foremost, it significantly expands your living square footage without the massive cost of a full room addition, providing a dedicated space for relaxation, exercise, or hobbies. Being outdoors has been scientifically proven to lower stress levels and improve mental well-being, and having a comfortable porch makes it easy to enjoy nature regardless of the weather. Additionally, a professionally designed porch is a massive selling point that boosts your property's curb appeal and overall market value. It serves as the ultimate entertainment hub where you can host dinner parties, family gatherings, or quiet morning coffee sessions in a setting that feels both private and expansive. To make your backyard porch look truly high-end, you must treat it with the same decorative eye as your living room. Start by defining the zones of the porch. Use outdoor area rugs to anchor furniture groupings and create a sense of intimacy. Layering is key to a cozy look, so don't shy away from weather-resistant throw pillows, blankets, and textured outdoor curtains that provide both privacy and softness. Incorporate various light sources such as overhead fans with integrated lights, string lights for ambience, and floor lanterns for a warm glow at eye level. Finally, bring the garden onto the porch with oversized planters and hanging baskets to create a seamless transition between the built structure and the natural landscape. When selecting items for your backyard porch, prioritize performance materials that can withstand UV rays and moisture without sacrificing style. The centerpiece of any great porch is comfortable seating, such as a deep-seated sectional or a pair of high-quality wicker armchairs with thick, quick-dry cushions. For those who love to cook, a built-in grill station or a portable pizza oven can turn the porch into a secondary kitchen. Don't forget the climate control. Ceiling fans are essential for moving air on hot summer days, while a fire table or infrared heaters can extend your porch usage into the cooler months. Small touches like an outdoor-rated television, a sleek coffee table, and sound system integration will truly elevate the space into a luxury retreat. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here's the compilation of the top 10 best backyard porch design ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, the lakeside traditional wraparound. This design features stunning white columns and a warm wood plank ceiling that overlooks a serene lake. The use of dark wicker furniture paired with vibrant red and blue accent pillows creates a classic Americana feel. Large potted mums and manicured hedges frame the space, making it feel like a natural extension of the garden. 2. Modern brick pavilion with integrated cooling. This porch showcases a heavy-duty brick construction that matches the home's exterior for a seamless look. The wide open span is supported by massive brick pillars and features dual ceiling fans to keep the seating area cool. A unique circular stone water feature sits just off the patio, adding the soothing sound of trickling water to the lounge area. 3. The ultimate outdoor entertainment hub. Perfect for sports fans, this covered porch includes a custom-built stone island with an integrated grill and a wall-mounted TV protected by wooden shutters. The rich wood-beamed ceiling and stone-clad pillars give it a rustic yet sophisticated man cave vibe, while the circular metal coffee table serves as a durable focal point for guests. For bohemian chic summer porch. This design proves that a simple corrugated roof can be transformed with the right styling. String lights are draped across the rafters, illuminating a mix of eclectic furniture, including a turquoise bench and white wicker chairs. The "Please Don't Feed the Mermaids" sign and bright geometric rugs give this space a playful coastal energy. 5. Vaulted A-frame grand porch. The architectural highlight here is the massive vaulted ceiling with exposed white trusses, which creates an airy, cathedral-like feeling. The dark gray wicker sectional provides ample seating for large groups, while string lights follow the roofline to provide a magical evening atmosphere against the backdrop of a lush green lawn. 6. The luxury multi-zone patio and pergola. This expansive design features a raised bar area with copper-toned accents, a formal dining table, and a separate lounge area under a white pergola with privacy curtains. The transition from the wooden deck to the large stone pavers allows for distinct functional zones, making it the perfect layout for hosting large garden parties. 7. Classic redwood pergola retreat. A dark-stained redwood pergola adds architectural drama and shade to this elevated stone porch. Climbing white roses and lush greenery soften the hardscaping, while comfortable gray upholstered seating invites long conversations. The stone steps leading down to a manicured path create a very high-end, estate-like feel. 8. The Southern Charm Elevated Gallery. This traditional porch is elevated to capture the breeze, featuring a white railing and stately columns. Hanging baskets are perfectly spaced between the pillars, adding vertical interest and pops of floral color. The dark wood decking contrasts beautifully with the light-colored siding, offering a timeless and clean aesthetic. 9. Sunset Fire Pit and Media Lounge. This modern masterpiece features a long linear fire pit built into a stone wall, perfect for cool evenings. The covered portion of the porch houses a large sectional facing a flat-screen TV, while integrated recessed lighting in the ceiling ensures the space is usable long after the sun goes down. 10. The rustic stone hearth and pergola combo. This design combines a solid-roofed porch with an attached pergola, centered around a massive circular stone fire pit. The stamped concrete flooring and stone pillars provide a rugged, durable foundation, while the warm glow of the fire and the outdoor kitchen in the background make this the ultimate year-round outdoor living room. Creating the perfect backyard porch is about more than just construction. It's about creating memories. Whether you have a small space or a sprawling estate, these design principles and inspirations can help you craft an area that reflects your personality and meets your family's needs. Your porch should be a place where the stress of the day melts away as soon as you step outside. If you enjoyed these backyard porch designs, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for your weekly dose of home inspiration. Which of our top 10 was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you're planning to upgrade your outdoor space this year.